got this tire here that's getting all kinds of cupping along the shoulder here and then depression wear on that rib, and it's time to be replaced for safety reasons here. That's not even the worst spot. There's a couple spots that are even worse around there. So I just picked this truck up, had a Freightliner in Madison to have some ABS work done, and that's a whole freaking scam and ordeal. But gosh damn it, I stopped here at the Petro in Portage, Wisconsin. Said, hey, I need a tire. I'd just grab a tire. I'll take it home, mount it myself, no big deal. Yeah, guess what? TA Petro's new policy is we don't sell tires unless we install them. Now get this, I'm just freaking beside myself right now. For one, I'm like, this is the dumbest freaking thing I've ever heard. Because, you know, we're in the business of selling stuff, right? But then I'm like, pissed. I guess the new scam is that people walk in and buy tires with their credit card and then cancel their credit card. And I said, well, I've never heard of such a thing. And he's like, yeah, they're probably going to go to a policy where we don't sell any parts unless we install them. So, you know, you're going to be captive to a stupid, incompetent truck stop. And that's just ridiculous. I can mount my own damn tires. I have all the tools and equipment. I've done it 100 times before. I don't need that. So why should I pay for it? And I prefer to do it myself because I'll take better care and clean the beads better and do a better job. This is infuriating. So I said, well, let me give you an EFS code. I can't cancel an EFS code once you register it. It is very extremely difficult for me to cancel that. Nope, won't do that either. No com data, no EFS, cash only. And he was hesitant to do the cash thing. I'm like, well, I can't freaking cancel cash. And then I'm like, well, can't get that kind of cash out of the ATM at one time. I get, you know, it's over $400. I think you can only get $400 a day. But I'm like, screw this. Then I'm not buying crap from you. But this is just stupid. So I guess I gotta wait till Monday and then make another trip to my local tire shop and get a tire. I'll get a better deal on a tire anyway, but it's, you know, it's Saturday. I got the time to do this. So, I don't know, just more reason to get rid of the riffraff in this industry. So have you heard of this? Have you heard of something maybe even more stupid than this? I don't know, if I was in the business of selling stuff, I would definitely sell stuff. I would think with a credit card you would have, you know, they have all kinds of protections on credit cards. And if a credit card's going to deny a purchase or something like that, if you buy it before you cancel the card, I would think you're kind of stuck with that. But I don't know, I could be wrong. Somebody let me know if I am. But you would think that all the kinds of protections you get with a credit card would prevent something like that. Or if they reported it as fraud, that the credit card company would investigate it and push the transaction through. But I guess they don't want to lose money either. So this is just what in the hell is going on in this industry, and what in the hell is it coming to?